realm of law, it's called tort and damages yan. Kasi hindi walang mamalis yan, but there is the negligence in handling the explosives inside the factory. So there's always the liability of negligence. Pero I know what you're driving at. Would this be the reason for me to ban the
Yeah.
Palbagan?
Yeah, would it lead to that?
But maybe at this early, I would say I am inclined to. May panahon na. I did not do it last year simply because it was too late. Nabili na nila yung mga materials, bayad na yung iba. At this time, I'd like to put on notice everybody that I am seriously considering of making the entire Philippines like Davao. We observe the Christmas time with solemnity and that befits our religion ng ano.
For this coming New Year's or for 2017, pwede pa huli na or bawal na?
Hindi ako na too late na.
So next
nabili
na.
na yung ano.
Okay.
Everybody has invested or have invested or has invested. Bari na yung, it would not be fair. The least that I can say is, or I do is just to issue a warning that it's very, very dangerous. We used to hit something like almost in the previous years, 600 serious cases of children going blind, losing a limb, finger, a hand, a foot. But yung ano, wala na, not even a single case sa hospital.
Sir.
You know, actually yung ano, it is good. Pero in some countries, it is only done by the government. But lalo na yung explosive. It has so many uses, including by the rebels in this country. Yung IED nila.
So ibaba na ba ngayong
But no, I said I'm
daw.
putting up the notice that I might, but that decision should not go beyond April, May. Kasi ba too late na naman. Has to be decided, but I would like Congress to act on it first. And if they do not want it, well, I will see if I can do it by executive order. Total naman ang ano dyan is the power of the President to come up with measures to protect public property, public interest, public safety. You know, injuries, hindi lang public safety. If you lose your eye, or if your hand is cut, or it explodes in front of you, you suffer burns. That is a very serious health issue. Ang babayaran mo sa doktor pati ospital just to get back your sight or have your hands, fingers amputated. So it becomes a public issue, public safety. Then it becomes a health issue. Yan tanong, hindi na kasi nakuha ng iba. Yung lahat ng ospital niyan, mga sunog pa yan. And they have yet to recover. They cannot possibly recover for the next following New Year to light a firecracker again. Ang problema kasi dyan, kaya I decided to ban it in Davao,
Zero injury tayo.
because most of the victims are children. Hindi nga, yung mga malalaking ano na, well, they now realize when they look at their hands, some of the fingers are missing. Then that's a very late realization of what you should not have done in the first place.
Sir, there are certain sectors who are urging those in your cabinet, in your government, who are against, who oppose the burial of Marcos in Dilibingan to also to resign.
No. It's a matter of principle for us, actually. Prinsipyo mo yan eh. Actually, what is involved here is actually ulabalo yung mga dramang. Tapos na yan. That's part of our history. It's a matter of principle to hang on something in the past. Prinsipyo na yan. Wala na nga, kasi kami sa gobyerno, we cannot decide otherwise except legally based on legal laws. Wala akong choice. Putya, pagka disallow ko yan, I ignore the law. So who faces the impeachment? Wala na ko. What's a violation? You violated the law.
Sir,
Gusto lang talaga nila na gusto mo na idamay mo ng lahat, and I can, just because I'm the president, maybe I can provide something else other than the moral issues there, but that is not the point. The point is I have to
Do you think it
to
would,
decide on legal.
do you think it would affect the peace talks with the rebels?
I would say not. Ako, ayaw ko. I mean, I would not want to break relations. I'm quite close with the left.
Yeah.
And they have calling me by all names. And I said, you just ask if you can answer the basic issue there. Was Marcos a soldier? He was. Was he a hero? Well, I don't know. But that is not the point. Was he a coward? I cannot answer that. But he was a soldier.
He was right.
Then the second issue, was he a president? Oh, we elected him several years ago, and he won it by a landslide. So, at the end of the day, it's gonna be what is the law.
sir, naniniwala kayo kay Kerwin Espinosa dun sa mga sinabi po niya sa...
I think he has protected some, but exposed some. I don't know his reason. Because his father gave us another set of information when he was...
But he said
I never met him, but I refused to meet him.
the signatures in the affidavits that were by his father were not were not by his father.
Different signature.
Hindi gagawin ni Bato yan. He knows better than... That's why Bato is the PNP chief, because he's bright. You do not do that.
But he cries.
Pero kung sila mas marunong pa sa akin, sila yung presidente ngayon. Ay, mawitan.
Sir, na-arresto na rin si Ronnie Dayan. Mag-testify din siya.
I've heard, but I do not, Dilima seems to be talking about it as if we are running a hate issue against them, or that we are after. Sabi ko, natahimik na ako. But in the hindsight, balik tayo, we take a few steps backward. Ano yung sinabi ko muna? It came to pass. Sinabi ko, ganun yung nangyari dyan. Sinabi ko, the first salvo was, who is this Dayan? Do you know her? Do you know him? What is your relation to him? That was yung mga ticklers ko. But when I said that, better hang yourself, alam ko na lahat. Including the conversation of all, recorded and unrecorded, umabot na sa akin.
Where Diane said he was trying to get in touch with the senator just to ask for her help because he was suffering already health arthritis niya, ganon.
That is his problem about how he conducted
She
his
snubbed
life.
him daw.
Huh?
She snubbed him. She did not answer his call.
Yung,
By the anak.
ano na ito, chismis na ito.
Hindi yan
Ayaw pumasok.
chismis.
Oo, sa bagay, public property always yan. Ang sabi niya,
Sabi ni Diane claimed that he was trying to get in touch with the senator just to ask for some financial help because he was suffering from may arthritis yata siya or something like that. But then
I do not think that Dayan was short of money.
why?
Well, kung ikaw si Dilima, ano gawin mo? Pagutobin mo para magkyak-kyak. You remember that Dayan was not, did not surrender. He was arrested in manhunt. Kung ikaw si Dilima, hayaan mo na ako. Lumabas na ito lahat ngayon. O hayaan mo si Dayan para magka-problema, magpunta sa ibang tao tapos maawa ka. May isabi ako sa iyo, bigyan mo ako, pang-rehome ako. Do you believe that kind of kagwas? Baski ikaw, kung ikaw si ano, anong gawin mo?
Sino ako?
Ay, mag-utang ka pa. May nag-utang tayo ng pera para
Para
tumahan.
bigyan ng isa.
Okay.
Huwag na huwag natin magulahan dito. And these are the things that I do not dwell into. But I'm just trying to raise a hypothetical. Ikaw si Madam.
7 years good.
7 years good yun, sir.
7 years daw.
Sir, 7 years.
Akala ko ba 3 lang
7
years.
Confirm niya.
ni Dayan? Di sabi nung isa, murag 3 taon lang daw sila.
Ay, yung isa.
Yung isa.
Tinginan lang yung palang
Doy! Diretso.
Malayo.
Hindi ay diretso pitik yun, sabi ni Dayan, di ba? Diretso pitik, sir.
Pareho lang yan si Ado, yung sa CIA na ulol na yun. Tangina. So state is sponsored. You are killing my country. State. I'm trying to preserve. I kill you because I am not sponsoring any killing. I have to defend. That's why I declared war. That was actually not a rebellion, but actually if it succeeds, sobra pa sa rebellion because you leave so many Filipinos junkies and out of this world. Off the rockers lahat yan. Mas maano pa yan. Ako mas masabi ko, mas maano pa ako sa rebellion. No? Kaya ako nakikipag-usap sa left because I respect the ideology. Kasi ang target nila is to have a better government, a better life for everybody. Which is also the target of this legitimate government. But if they do not call it legit, ang problema ay nandito ako. But I have kept my options open with the MI. I'm sure that as I promised, I will deliver. Amen kay Nor. And the rest of the Moro listening now. Nabi ko sa inyo, may tayo lang. But keep on fighting. Alang-alang naman mag-surrender ang gobyerno. But I do not want a war even with the Abu Sayyaf. Kaya lang, you kidnap people, mapapahiya ang Pilipinas. Of course, I've met with the Prime Minister of Malaysia and sa President. Yung pinag-usapan namin yan kasi may mga biktima. Pero may respeto ako sa MI pati MN because the rebellion, kaya ang rebellion mababa eh. Ang punishment ng rebellion even can be as low as below 6 years. And in rebellion you kill people, you kill soldiers, but the punishment, the penalty is kasi sa ideology. Prinsipyo eh. Nag-aaway tayo sa prinsipyo. It is not driven by the hunger of money, mag-hold up ka, magpatay ka, o mag-rape ka. It is something you want for your country. That is why you are rebelling. Kaya, that the healthy attitude should always be fair to the rebels at all times. Do not kill all the leaders because one day you have to talk to them. Iyan ang ano ng rebellion. That's why I said, Miss Wari is may edad na. That sabi nila palapasin, tapos we continue to hold him. That's a problem. If Miss Wari dies in our hands, there will never be a settlement there insofar as dyan sa mga Tausug. Even if it says na wala ng steam yung MN, even if it is true, that's why I was very careful to order, just leave him alone.
Sir, si FBR may nabanggit na sentiment na parang disappointed yata siya dun sa hindi niya pagpunta dun sa gala dinner tsaka dun sa pictorial po na traditional sa IPEC.
Alam mo, I am promoting the movie career of Yasay. O sabi ko, gusto mo man mag-ano, ikaw yung actor, ikaw na tumabi dyan sa mga I was not feeling well. And it is not right to say that there are doctors there. Off the record, pero Lolo Soto, Walang off the record. Ayaw ka lang sabihin.
But he never
Sir, you're
endorsed
okay
it.
now, sir. After.
Right after.
Okay?
Okay na?
Kasi,
Mm.
as usually happens, if you're not, sa food,
Sumakit ang tiyan mo, sir.
saan ninyo ako gustong puririt? Doon sa stage? O doon sa... Dito ako just about 10 minutes away. But my stomach was not good, and I could have exploded any time. So I remember yung sa klase pa kami. Every Friday kasi Ateneo, di ba yung mass yan?
Mas. Mario.
Then you have to, somebody has to lead the prayer, the rosary. Attending lang. The guy leading the rosary, Hail Mary full of grace, pero gaba lang. Tapos bigla na, brrrt! Pagtingin namin, doon mismo siya yung naglilid, doon nakikita. Ang lahat nandito yung yellow na doon sa, kaya every time magkikita kami layo na si Finance, kababata ko yung lahat nangyari sa yung maliliit pa kami. Pati yung mga pedophilia.
Sino
Yes,
yun?
good night.
Magtatawanan kami niya pag nag-uusap kami. Kasi hanggang yun, maamoy ko pa. Taragin.
Sir, dito sa concern sa Caraga region, sir. Kasi yung NPA nag-threaten na baka mag-collapse ang ceasefire dahil daw yung military at police ang military ay nakikisali sa
Look,
operation.
I have been very clear and categorical to them. This is a Republic of the Philippines. Hindi pa sila nanalo sa rebellion eh. So, the soldiers and the police should be anywhere and everywhere. Ang atin lang dito is do not initiate any contact of violence. Pero ako, I would order kung saan sila, you have to mix it up because ang Republic of the Philippines should be the one to decide saan ko ilagay yung mga trupa ko. Ceasefire tayo, I've told them that do not fire shots, do not initiate any encounter there. Kasi may peace process. But that deprive us of the territorial jurisdiction. Hindi ako pumayag ng ganun. Alam ko, sabihin ko sa mga gobyerno, hayaan mo sila mag-enlist, mag-campaign doon, mag-meeting. Hindi yan bawal nga. Hindi nga bawal. Ang bawal dito, ang barilan. So, dito, okay lang. Ang gobyerno, wag din sila kasi papasukin ng mga ang military may yan, civic military. So, bakit sila pwede tayo hindi? Ang sinabi ko lang kung maaari, do not make contacts. But I would insist that as president, I have every right to order the presence of the police and the military. And also, in the same breath, they can also spread dito, malakas sila dito. No? Sige, mag-plenum kayo dito. Paski dyan sa downtown, mag-plenum kayo. Walang. I will guarantee that nothing will happen. At saka walang arestuhan ngayon. Para hindi mag-init. So that we can have a conducive environment to talk about peace. But I will not agree with that kind of na hindi sila makapasok ang military. They should. Tanong tuloy ako, bakit wala kayo dyan? Kung may mangyari. Good kung argument kung contact is rebel to may nang mga hold up dyan. Tapos sabihin ko, anong detachment sa military nandun? Tapos may patayan. Magtanong ako doon, anong ginawa ninyo? You're supposed to be there. So saan yung nakapwesto yung military pati police? Yan. And I also would like to tell them that it's okay for you to move around and go on a recruitment campaign. At the end of the day, it's always ang prinsipyo ng tao. He believes in the ideology of the communists, okay. Respetuhin ko yan. But let's talk about peace. Just because gusto mo yung klaseng ganong gobyerno, hindi naman tayo pwede magpatayan palagi. So ako yung interesado talaga. Of course, it was I who initiated na mag-usap tayo. So I do not want it terminated or cancelled or whatever. But certainly, I cannot order my military to withdraw from anywhere to everywhere. Hindi pwede yung ganun. Pero sila pwede rin. Kung gusto nila, sa Malacanang nag-dinner na kami doon sa Politburo noon. Sila lahat. Doon na yun. We had dinner. Malacanang, for the first time, nakapasok sila. Oh, this is your palace. You are all Filipinos. You are entitled to... Tignan ninyo ang... And I hope the Malacanang si Bingbong would make a program. I want yung una yung mga kindergarten, mga grade 1 to see Malacanang. Tapos as we go higher, yung first grade, second grade. Then on certain days, everybody can go there and look at the museum. Pati yung mga komunista, pwede silang pumasok doon. Total, kanila rin yung same. Hero nila si Rizal. Hero man rin natin. So, why the God killing? Enjoy yan. Hindi ko naman inaakin yung Malacanang. Kaya I'm opening it to the people.
Sir,
Why do you always come home for the weekends?
Because the people are not in there. Malacanang is here. I want to see my grandchildren first. May isa akong ako pinalipat ko si Sebastian yung diyan ka. Tabi talaga ng bahay ko. Kaya yung apo ko, pagka bata ka pa, hindi masyado yan. Pero pagtanda mo, alam mo na then you begin to, because your apo is your extension. So my father is dead. But I carry his genetic code. So I am my father. And so would be my grandson. Ganun yan. So my grandson and future grandson are really of the same. Ako yung tatay ko. Kasi I carry the seeds of my lineage. Ganun yan.
Mr. President,
Kaya hindi kailangan sana pataya itong komunista. We never denied that it is not ours. But young lagoons are spawning grounds. Diyan mangitlog ang isda. So I am ordering them out. Huwag na yung China. I have nothing with China. They know that I have this arbitral award. That is mine. So huwag kayo. And China should also give the same order not to fish on the spawning ground because kung kanila yan rin, dapat gwardiyan nila. Sabi nila, kanila. Ako, akin yan Sabi ko, huwag mong sirain yan. Kasi pagkain yan ng Pilipino. Kung walang itlog, di wala na yung... It is, dyan nila binabagsak yung ano nila. Kung mo siya doon, it's a lagoon actually. Walang, kaya dyan ang isda magpatabi, dyan nila ibuga yung itlog nila. Ako, we will not complicate matters. I do not care what China says about their ownership of Vietnam. Me, as president, I claim that arbitral, so no fishing.
may mga ibang mga isda daw po na ayaw yata nila yung ibawal.
I am sure China would not also do that because China kasi ang bright sa atin. Alam nila na dyan ang sisirain mo yung generation ng isda ang kakainin natin bukas. Padrama pa na. Even if no country would claim it to be their territory, common sense should tell you not to destroy the source of the life sa dagat.